CapCut tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use CapCut and how you can use it to edit your videos for free. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here on the website capcut.com, and we're gonna go ahead and download it. So this is the editor right here. You can even use it like this. It totally depends on you, but it's much better to actually go ahead and download it. I've already downloaded it. If you don't know how, you just simply search for CapCut download. Right, it'll take you over to this website. It's in a different language right here, but you just simply click on this button right here or this button and you will easily download the installer like so. I've already downloaded it, so let me just open it up. So here we go. So this is the CapCut editor right here. I mainly just use it for just clearing out some of the buffs within these videos, so nothing too crazy, but I'll show you how you can use it. It's pretty simple. So open it up. Right, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger for you to see it much more easily. Let me just do one more thing. I'll just keep it like this. There we go, much better. So this is how it looks like. So first things first, you'll see it's pretty simple. One thing I would say is you can go ahead and sign in. It totally depends on you if you have a pro version of it, but the simple version is actually free to use as well. So if you click on settings, make sure to come over here and select your save to and download to folder so that you know where they are always downloaded and saved. Click on performance, and sometimes it's better to uncheck this button and sometimes it's better to check this button. It depends on you. We'll see how it looks like over here. Again, check all of these settings and make sure it's good to go. So once that's done, just save it and then click on create a project. So when you click on it, this is going to be the editor right here. Then open up the editor in front of you like so. Here you have the timeline at the bottom. You can increase the size of it by just simply hovering it over here. You can even move the entire window. I'm not going to do that. You're going to have your preview window over here. This is going to be your importer where you import all of your video, and this is going to be your details. You can go ahead and modify it how you like it. It totally depends on you. At the top, you're going to have your options such as audio, text, stickers, and effects and transitions and all of that. So let's go ahead and import some videos. To import them, click on this import button and then just simply select the videos that you want. So these are the videos that I have right here. I'll just simply select them and click on import. And there we go. One of the cool things about CapCut is that when you import the video, you hover your mouse over them, it'll automatically start playing the video. So you can go ahead and preview the video and see where you want to, place the video at. Another cool thing is that if you click on a video, you can even cut the entire video right here. You'll see as I hover my mouse, it changes its icon and I can go ahead and cut the entire video as well. So pretty cool. Do just make sure it's highlighted as well. Now, one of the things that I wanted to tell you about before you begin is come over here onto the detail section right here. Underneath details, you'll see this modify button. Click on modify and this will help you to modify your project settings, right? Here you can keep the name, whatever you want it to be, save it to whatever location, aspect ratio, resolution, select whatever your resolution you want. And then frame rate, I like to go ahead and increase it to 60 FPS. That's just my opinion. I don't think anyone would want their videos to be less than 60 frames. This is like the only thing that you need to do. Click on save to make sure you change the frame rates of your project, and also make sure to select the resolution if you want. So 1920 by 1080p is usually the go-to. And yeah, once that's done, if you want to change it to more vertical, then just reverse it to 1080 to 1920 like so and click on save. This will change the overall project setting, so now it's a little bit more zoomed in. So now let's go ahead and import the video. So we'll just drag and drop the videos right here. You can see the project settings over here. So now it's a little bit different because it's more zoomed in, but again, if you want to change it, you can change it as well. So I'll just convert it back to adapted and drag and drop my video right here. So sometimes CapCut, it tends to mess around, but usually it's easy to fix. So go into settings. Usually you just, as I said before, go into performance and just turn this off and it should fix the issue. But if it still persists, restart it. All right, so as you can see, I've updated it. It should work now. So again, let's go ahead and change it to 60 frames so that it's done and dusted. All right, so let's go ahead and move our video over here. And now we're gonna go ahead and play it. So now it works, as you can see. Sometimes it helps. So when you first enter in your video over here, this is how it's going to look like. The timeline is going to be over here. This orange bar is going to say that this part is not rendered and it may lag during preview. So if you want to render it, totally depends on you. Right click on the video file over here, click on render right here. You can see at the bottom, click on whole timeline. It's going to go ahead and render it over here. As you can see, it's rendering. Boom, there you go. So now it will not lag during the preview. So now you can go ahead and get started. So now let's go ahead and edit some of this video up, right? So here I want to add like a text, like an intro text or whatever. So for that, we can go ahead and click on this text section over here at the top. Here you can see you have a bunch of different options. You got text effect, text template as well. So if you click on templates, you're going to find a bunch of templates right here that you can use. Some of them are pro, some of them are trending. Right here you can see pro, basic, titles. Let's go ahead and select titles and see what we get. This one looks cool. Totally depends on you what you want. What I want is like a typewriter type of an effect. Let's see whether or not this one is it. If I click over here, it doesn't really. All right, so here we go. So I was trying to find something similar to a typewriter, but I couldn't. But I think this one would work as well. So I think this would look good, right? Simple background with that, right? I think this looks good. We can have something like this. Next, I'll just shorten this clip. So I'll just put it right over here, and then I'll add some effects to it. So come over here at the top, click on effects, and over here we can add like a fade in effect right here. Put that right here, and then we'll go back to media and we'll add the second clip, which is going to be something like this. So it's going to look something like this with a nice fade in clip like this. I think this looks good. Person walking up over there. We'll close that up again. Next, we'll add the other clip. And for this one, we'll add another effect, but this one, think some other effect, like a blur effect would look good. But over here, you can see we also have some cool details. So I'll add this one right here. And then for this one, we'll go with zero blur. There we go. And we'll place that over somewhere like this. So it'll work like this. This was keyframing. So what's happening is it's unblurring the video and we're moving on. So looks pretty good and pretty simple. So next, if you want to split up a video, so to split them up, just simply hover the mouse where you want, and you'll see you have this button right here. You can see this is called split. Control B is going to be the short key, and over here is going to be delete left, and this is going to be delete right. So its short keys are Q and W. So here we can go ahead and click on Control B to split the video, and now I can just simply click the W button or Q key, and it'll just delete everything across from the marker right here. So everything on the left hand side, it'll delete like that. Pretty simple. And once you've finished editing the video, to export them, click on the export button at the top right corner and set the name, select the resolution. The codec should be H264, MP4, and frames, and then just simply hit the export button. I'll export it to someplace else. Click on export, and there we go. So once it's exported, you can go ahead and view the video. So there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you use CapCut. And once you have exported it, you can go ahead and paste this onto TikTok and YouTube or whatever. So this is how you do it. This is how you use CapCut and how you can use it to edit videos. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.